Alrighty guys, welcome back to another video. Thanks for stopping by, appreciate it. As you can see, we didn't get this one done today. I planned on it, but then I started doing other stuff, so I didn't get a whole day in here. So just getting her all stapled down right now. One of the problems, I started making these plugs, and then I didn't get the top stapled down, so some of them are gonna be shooting off at an angle, which is not the prettiest, but it's the same thing, but just a little uglier. So next time I'll have to remember to staple down up top first, so I'm not spider webbing the corners or anything like that. But yeah, this one wire right here is cutting in between all those, pushing those down, so I might have to pull that one back out just so it keeps those wires up and doesn't look super ugly. It only goes to right here, so it's not too far. But as you can see, just getting some stuff stapled down. Still have to pull a couple 3 wires, one for the smoke detector, one for the 3-way between this box on the other side of the wall and the front door on the left side right there. But yeah, I had to, actually I didn't, but had to get that cut down because that board was in the way, so shaved like half of it off. Anyways, they're moving this over to the side, so yeah. Anyways, hope you guys have a happy new year. I should make a couple more videos, whether they're electrical related or not. It's going to be dealing with my New Year's resolution from 2018, so how I did it for my 2018 New Year's resolutions. Maybe you weren't here for that, maybe you're new to the channel, and I say thank you for stopping by and subscribing. Thanks for the support. So hopefully you enjoy those videos as well, and I think that's about going to wrap it up for today. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe, I'd appreciate it, and appreciate the support. Thanks everyone for the likes and the comments. I appreciate seeing new people in the comment section, so definitely participate in the comments, and I look forward to hearing from you. Catch you guys in the next one. God bless, have an awesome rest of your day. Peace out, Happy New Year, see you later.